Welcome to the UMCommunityLINK tutorial on how to add a notation to your co-curricular record. There are two ways to add a notation to your co-curricular record. The first way is an experience request. The second way is claiming a past membership. We will first go over how to do an experience request. The advantage of claiming an experience is that you can add a description and reflection to your notation. Please note that whatever you type in as a description or reflection will appear on your official record, so please review your spelling and grammar before submitting. The other advantage of an experience request is that it will show the category that your experience was with. It is the only method that allows for a category and a description to appear on your official notation. To claim an experience, select My Involvement, then select Experiences. You are now viewing the landing page for experiences. On this page, you can view any previous submissions you had for an experience request. If you need to edit a request for any reason, you can do it on this screen by select symbol beside your request. To add a new experience, select Add an Experience. You will need to select the appropriate category. If you do not know what category your co-curricular activity belongs to, you can use the organization directory to find out what category your group was, or contact Student Life. Once you select your category, you will be prompted to fill out the request. Experience name. This is your role. President, volunteer, participant, tutor. These are all examples of a role you might have held. Description. This is where you can add a description of your role. Write your description in a similar style to a resume and should highlight the responsibilities associated with the role that you held. Organizations. This is where you will select the organization that your experience was a part of. You can use the letters to alphabetically search for your co-curricular activity. Enter the start date and end date of your participation. Reflection. You can use this space to provide a reflective statement addressing what you have learned or gained through your experience. Contact information. This is where you can add the name and email for a validator. The contact must be in a position to confirm your participation with the activity. You do not need to add a phone number. Click Submit when you are finished. You can view the status of your experience on the Experience landing page. If you are required to make any updates or edits, you can do so from this screen. An administrator should review your experience within several days. You will receive notice if you need to edit your activity. You will also receive notice when your activity is approved. The second method of claiming recognition is claiming a past membership. Adding a past membership will give you a notation and a reflection, but you cannot add a description and it will not include the category that you participated in. To add a past membership, select My Involvement. Click Memberships. On this screen, you will see the co-curricular activities that you are currently listed on the roster of. To see co-curricular activities you have received recognition for, select the tab Past Memberships. To add a missing notation, you can click Add Past Membership. You will need to type in the organization name. Select by position. You can select the position you held. If you do not see the position you held in the drop-down menu, you can type it in manually. Select your start date and end date using the calendar selection tool. Reflection. You can use this space to provide a reflective statement addressing what you have learned or gained through your experience. Click Submit when you are finished. An administrator will review and approve or deny. You will receive a notification statement once an administrator has reviewed it. Thank you for watching the UMCommunityLINK tutorial on adding an activity to your co-curricular record. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact ccr@umanitoba.ca.